equal to right hand side, then that number of variable is a solution of equation. But it is a very time consuming method. So now we will learn the different another method, that is systematic method, in which we need to perform the equation operation on a both side, left hand side and right hand side, that is same operation. Okay, so let's take one example. Solve equation x minus 3 is equal to 5 and check the result. So here what is the equation? X minus 3 is equal to 5. Now here what we need to find? Solution means what? Solution means find the value of variable. So here variable is x. Means we need to remove the another number that is with x. X ની સાથે બીજા જે નંબર ઓપરેશનમાં છે that you remove. So here -3 is there. Okay. So to remove -3 we need to add 3 both side. So we can write add 3 both side. That is our first step. To remove 3 because it is negative, so we apply the inverse operation. So if we add 3 both sides, that we get 5 plus 3. Now here 3 will be cancelled out. So x is equal to 8. That is the solution of our equation. Now check the result, means you need to write the value of variable on the right hand side and it is equal to the left hand side. So let's write left hand side is equal to x minus 3. So our value is 8. It is 5. So it is the right hand side. So result is correct. Now let's take one more example. Solve equation x minus 7 is equal to -2 and check the result. Now what is our equation? X minus 7 is equal to -2. What we need to find? X. Means we need to remove this -7. How we can remove -7? By adding +7. So here we can write add 7 both sides. So we can write x minus 7 plus 7 minus 2 plus 7. So here we have x minus 7 plus 7 cancel. Minus 2 plus 7 is 5. Now check the result. Our left hand side is x minus 7. Now write the value of 5. So that is -2 and it is equal to our right hand side. Now next is x plus 7 is equal to 5. Again you need to apply the method and check the result. So here plus 7 is there. How we can remove it? By performing this subtract 7 both sides. So we can write subtract 7 both sides. So we have x plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 5 minus 7. Now plus 7 minus 7 cancel. So x is equal to -2. 5 minus 7 is -2. Now check the result. Right hand side is, our left hand side is x plus 7. Instead of x you need to write -2. So -2 plus 7, that is 5. Means that is our right hand side, means our answer is correct. Now for next, y divided 12 is equal to 48. Now what we need to find here? Variable y. Means we need to remove this 12. Now 12 is in a divide. So which operation? That is inverse of division 12. It is a multiply of 12. So we can write multiply 12 both sides. So here y divided 12 multiply 12. 48 multiply 12. Here 12 will be cancelled out. Now find the value of 48 by 12. So here we have 576. So our value of y will be 576. Check your answer. In this value y by 12 write 576. It is 576 by 12. If you cancel this common factor, you will get 48. Clear? Now next one. Example 4. Here x plus 4 is equal to minus 2. Now you need to remove this plus 4. So here we can write subtract 4 both sides. So we can write x plus 4 minus 4 minus 2 minus 2. Plus 4 minus 4 cancel, so x is equal to minus 6. Now what is the value of x over? It is minus 6. So write the value of left hand side to check the result. X plus 4 is there, our x is minus 6 plus 2. So answer is 2. That is our minus 2, that is our right hand side. Clear? Now next one, 15x is equal to 21. Here you can see 15 is in a multiplication. Now to remove this 15, we need to divide 15 both sides. So we can write divide by 15 both sides. So here 15x divide 15 is equal to 21 by 15. 15 will be cancelled out. Here find the common factor 7 3s and 5 3s. 3 will be cancelled out, so x is equal to 7 by 5. Now again you can check your result that it is correct or not. Write the value 7 by 5 in this side. So our left hand side is 15x. So instead of x, write 7 by 5. So it is 15 multiply 7 by 5. 5 3s are 15, 7 3s are 21. So we get our right hand side. This our answer is correct. Now next example. 2 by 3x is equal to 18. So here 2 is in a multiplication with x and 3 is in a divide. So we need to apply the inverse function. 3 needs to be multiplication and 2 will be in a divide. So we can write multiply 3 by 2 both sides. So we will have 2 by 3x multiply 3 by 2 is equal to 18 multiply 3 by 2. Now here 3 cancel, 2 cancel. So x is equal to 27. You can check your answer by writing x is equal to 27 here. You will get 18. Now next, 3x plus 2 is equal to 11. So here, where is the variable? We need to find x. So first of all, we remove this 2. 2 is in addition, so we subtract 2 both sides. So we will have 3x plus 2 minus 2, 11 minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel, 3x is equal to 9. Now divide by 3 both sides. So we can write 3x by 3. Why? Because 3 is in a multiplication. 9 by 3. So 3 cancel. Here we can write 9 3s are 9. So x is equal to 3. Again you can check your answer by writing here value of 3. Our left hand side is 3x plus 2. Means instead of x you need to write 3. So 3 multiply 3 plus 2. That is 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. We get our right hand side. Now next one. 2x minus 1 by 2 plus 3. So here what we need to find is unknown variable x. Means you need to remove first minus 1 by 2. How we can remove minus 1 by 2? By add 1 by 2 both sides. So we can write add 1 by 2 both sides. So we have 2x minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 plus 1 by 2. So we have this minus plus cancel. 2x is equal to 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 by 2. Now here you need to remove this 2. This 2 is in a multiplication, so divide to both sides. So we can write divide by 2 both sides. So we have 2x by 2 is equal to 7 by 2 is there, and also divide by 1 more 2. So here 2 cancel. So x is equal to 7 by 4. You can also check your answer by writing x is equal to 7 by 4 here. If we write here 7 by 4, 7 by 4 minus 1 by 2. So here we can cancel this. 2 2s are 4. Now we have 7 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Denominator is same. So 7 minus 1 is 6 by 2. That is what? 3. So we get our right answer. Now next one. 3 into bracket x plus 3 is equal to 12. Here you can solve with two methods. First, divide 3 both sides. Why? Because 3 is in the multiplication of whole bracket. Or you can multiply 3 with x and 3 with 6 and then you solve the equation. So let's multiply 3 with x, that is 3x. 3 with 6, that is 18, is equal to 12. Now here, plus 18 is there. Subtract 18 both sides to remove 18. So we get 3x plus 18 minus 18 is equal to 12 minus 18. So plus 18 minus 18 will be cancelled. 3x is equal to minus 6. Now 3 is in a multiplication, so divide with 3 both sides. So we get 3x by 3 is equal to minus 6 by 3 will be cancelled, so it is minus 2. X is equal to minus. Again you can check your answer by writing 3x plus 6 is there. Instead of x you need to write minus 2. So 3 minus 2 plus 6. Minus 2 plus 6 is 4. 12. So that we get our right answer. Now next. 16 inside the bracket 3x minus 5 minus 10 inside the bracket 4x minus 8 is equal to 40. So here long equation is there. So first of all we simplify this. 16 is multiplied with 3x, that is 48x. 16 is multiplied with 5, that is 18. 80 minus 10 is multiplied with 4, that is minus 40x. And minus 10 is multiplied with minus 8, we will get plus 80. Okay, minus 10 multiplied with minus 8 is plus 80. Now, 48x minus 40, that is 8x. Minus 80 plus 80 will be cancelled out, is equal to 40. Now, this is our equation. So, we need to find x. Remove this 8 by divide by 8 both sides. So we get 8x by 8 is equal to 45. 8 cancel. So answer is 5. Okay. Now we can check our answer. Here we have 16. We get x is equal to 5. So let's write first equation. This is our left hand side. Now instead of x you need to write 5. So here 16, 3 multiply 5 minus 5, 4 multiplied with 5 minus 3. So whenever there is a multiplication, perform multiplication first. 5 3s are 15 minus 5, 20 minus 8. So here we have 10 minus 10, 12. 16 multiplied 10 is 160. Minus 12 multiplied 12 is minus 120. So answer is 40. We get our right hand side. So x is equal to 5 is a solution. Now next one. 3 inside the bracket x plus 2 minus 2 inside the bracket x minus 5 1 is equal to 7. So first of all we will simplify by multiplying this 3 with both numbers. So 3 is multiplied with x, that is 3x, and 3 is multiplied with 2, that is 6. This is what distributive property. Now minus 2 is multiplied with x, so minus 2x, and minus 2 is multiplied with minus 1. So it is plus 1, plus 2. is equal to 7. Now 3x and minus 2x, that are like terms. So 3x minus 2x is x. Plus 6 plus 2, that is 8, is equal to 7. Now what we need to find? Variable x. So remove this 8 by subtracting 8 both sides. Subtract 8 both sides. So we can write x plus 8 minus 8 is equal to 7 minus 8. We can cancel this, so x is equal to minus 1. Now we can check your answer. Our left hand side is x plus 3, x plus 2 minus 2 into x minus 1. Instead of x, you need to write minus 1. So 3 minus 1 plus 2, minus 2 minus 1 minus 1. 3, here minus 1 plus 2 is 1, minus 2. Minus is minus 2. That is 3. Minus 2 is plus 4. That is 7. So we get our right hand. Now let's take next example here. X minus 3 divided 5 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Now here you can see 5 is in a denominator of x minus 3. So first of all we get 5 here also. Here we have denominator 1. How can we get here 5? By multiply 5, divide by 5, like LCM method in a fraction. Minus 1. Now we have here x minus 3 minus 10 whole divided 5 is equal to minus 1. So x minus 13 divided 5 is equal to minus 1. Now we have equation. So here 5 is in a divide with the whole bracket. You can solve directly that add to both sides, or you can simplify like this. So here multiply 5 both sides. So we have x minus 13 divide 5 multiply 5 is equal to minus 1 multiply 5. Now 5 cancels, so x minus 13 is equal to minus 5. Now add 13 both sides. So we will have x minus 13 plus 13 is equal to minus 5 plus 13. Minus 13 plus 13 will be cancelled, so x is equal to 8. You can check your answer by writing 8 here. So let's check. We have x minus 3 by 5 minus 2. Write 8 here, so we have 8 minus 3 by 5 minus 2. 8 minus 3 is 5, divide 5 minus 2. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So answer is minus 1, that is our right answer. Clear? Otherwise, you can directly write here that add to both sides. If we add to both sides, then this 2 will be cancelled. Now, multiply 5 both sides, then this 5 will be cancelled, and then add 3 both sides. If you solve this example like that, then it is also correct. Now, next one. 5 inside the bracket x minus 2 plus 3 inside the bracket x plus 1 is equal to 25. Open the bracket and first simplify. 5 is multiplied with x, 5x. 5 is multiplied with 2, minus 1. 3 is multiplied with x, 3x. And 3 is multiplied with 1 plus 3 is equal to 25. Now, like this. 5x and 3x, that is 8x. Minus 10 plus 3, that is minus 7 is equal to 25. Now we get the simplified equation. So here to remove this minus 7, add 7 both sides. So we add 7 both sides. We will get 8x minus 7 plus 7 is equal to 25 plus 7. Minus 7 plus 7 will be cancelled. So it is 8x is equal to 32. Now 8, we need to remove this 8. 8 is in multiplication, so we divide 8 both sides. So we can write 8x by 8 is equal to 32 by 8. 8 cancel. 8 4 are 32. So x is equal to, again you can check your answer by writing in the left hand side, that is 5x minus 2 plus 3x plus 1. Instead of x you need to write 4. So 4 minus 2 plus 3, 4 plus 1. 5 and 2 plus 3, 1. 5 2s are 10, 3 5s are 15. So answer is 25, that is our right hand side. Here some examples are given that you need to solve in homework.